Today in this video, history chapter number 1, medieval India, we're going to learn about the medieval history of India. See, first we'll visit the past. Before we study about the grandeur of the medieval period of the Indian history, let us quickly visit past years or to revise what we studied in class 6. We studied that the history is divided into three periods, that is ancient, medieval and modern period. We studied about the ancient period last year. Now in this class, we're going to learn about the medieval period of India, medieval history. So the word medieval stands for something that is located in middle. As we can see, medieval is a middle period. It is also known as middle period, Muslim period, because it is mostly dominated by the Muslim rulers. Okay, so medieval is something that is located in middle. So the period that lies between the ancient and the modern period is known as the medieval period, middle period, or Muslim period. This medieval period is further divided into early medieval period and late medieval period. This division is not made on the basis of days, years, or any mathematical calculations. The division is made just because of the social, political, economic structure and in the ideas, faiths, and beliefs that show up a sharp contrast when compared to the ancient as well as modern period. So in India, medieval period ranges from the beginning of the 8th century, that is 700 AD, to the end of the 18th century, that is 1750 AD. That is for nearly 1000 years, the medieval period remained in India. So it is divided into early medieval and later medieval. The early medieval period dates from the 8th century to the 13th century, that is 700 to 1200 AD, and the rulers that dominated during this period were the Palas, Pratiharas, Rajputas, Cholas, and the Rajputs. But in the later medieval period, it ranges from 13th century to 18th century, that is from 1200 to 1750 AD, and the rulers, those who dominated over here in this period, are Turks, Afghans, and Mughals. So we can see basically the Muslim rulers dominated the later medieval period of history. Therefore, this period, this later period especially, is known as the Muslim period of medieval history.